Hey bro, so I have opened a demo for Barney 2. So basically all you need to do is go on these three dots here, go to share, and you can either set me as editor, so I will finish the job, or even easier, you can set Agent Locator as an editor. So sometimes it would be like restricted here. This is like what I sometimes get from you guys. So in that case, just choose here Agent Locator Incorporated and set this as editor. And on that way, so now you will submit done. On that way, everyone will have access. Me, you, anyone who opens the link that is actually in the Agent Locator group. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you are doing something else. I'm not sure what is actually that you're doing. Like I said, it's pretty simple, but yeah, if it's not working, let me know. Bye.